Imagine giving your customers the same visual experience as choosing their favorite Minecraft hoodie with just a click. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create stunning variant swatches in PageFly. Whether you're selling products with different colors, sizes, or styles, this feature makes your product variants visually engaging for your customers. Let's dive right into PageFly and see how you can start creating these engaging swatches for your store. First, let's quickly understand what variant swatches are. In simple terms, these are visual elements that represent different product options. Think of the different colors or size of a Minecraft hoodie. No more waiting, let's see how to access Option Swatches. Access Extra function here, and you will see Option Swatches. After that, hit the Manage button here. Next, you should click on Add Option Swatch. A pop-up will appear and show all variant options of your product. In this example, I will choose two variants that are color and size. Firstly, with the color variant, you can see the data is automatically synced with variants of products that you updated in Shopify. All you need to do is to choose the display type here. There are 6 types you can choose. I will choose the color type, then update the color code of each color variant. Similar to the size variant, choose the display type for it. I will choose drop-down type. After everything is done, click Save. Now let's open the product page and see how the variant swatches show on the page. To use Option Swatches feature, you should add product variant element. The product variant element is showing as default. You need to turn off Combine option and turn on the Use Option Swatches to show the settings in General tab. You can also choose horizontal or vertical for the option layout. You can change the space between options and option spacing, and the space between variants in option values spacing. This button is to hide or show the variant label. If you want to customize the variant label, simply click on it and make the change in the Styling tab. You can also customize the normal, hover, and selected state of the variants by clicking on it, then adjust in the Styling tab. For example, with normal state, I will add border and update the color. With the selected state, by default, there is a black border when the swatch variant is selected. You can change the color of the border or remove it and update color for option value. Style similar for the other option values. Now, it's good to go ahead and publish the page and check the live page. If you don't want to show the color option as color, you can choose to display the variant images instead. Please note that you should upload the image for each variant in Shopify admin. After making your changes, click the Save button. Go back to the PageFly page editor and reload your page. All the changes you've made will be synced in the editor. Click the Publish button and check the live view. The option swatches should now show as the variant images. When you click on each variant image, it will display the corresponding image. And that's it! You've successfully created a variant swatch for your product using PageFly's Option Swatches feature. Before we wrap up, let's quickly go over what you've learned today. Here's a checklist to remind you of the steps we covered. Access the Option Swatches feature, add option swatches for your product variants, choose display types, customize the swatch appearance, save and preview the changes. By following these steps, you can create engaging, visually appealing product pages with customized variant swatches. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe us on YouTube channel to get more new videos. Thanks for watching.